In this video, we will loft these edges in to complete our teeth. I do have a lot of extra curves in here at this point, and I think that they're going to start interfering with everything, so I'm going to delete them. And let's begin lofting. Notice that these holes are open. I can see through them. We need to just close them up. So surface, loft, edge to edge. That's a tricky one. And then we're going to loft edge to edge to fill that in. Very quickly, I'm just going to join these two together since they should be the same thing. And we will loft edge to edge. That's a nice clean one. We will loft edge to edge. That one is clean as well. I don't know why the first one was separated into two, but it was. And those are filled in as well. So we have all of our surfaces that have been lofted, all the appropriate teeth as well. I might put something through the jaw at this point, just to kind of connect it all, even if it just looks okay. Let's maybe make a cylinder. And let's bring that all the way through. Down a bit. I think maybe I will put a chamfer of 2 on the end of that. Way too much. I think I'll put a chamfer of 0.5 on the end of that. And this side as well. Yeah, I like that. That's a pretty good size. So, looking at our robot head and looking at our robot rubric, let's split these screens up. Reset this and shrink this up. Sketch was created and labeled. I get points for that. Layers, I do not have everything on a layer. I'll need to fix that. Make sure you do. Objects, I'd say that everything is there, sized and proportional, and I have not textured it, but that will be done. Revolve was used on the head. That was correct. Split, well, we split the sides. We split the projected eyeball face thing, the little thing up top. We used the loft command many times, project many times, probably more than we needed to, but that's okay. I have the time. I'm at home, so I'm happy to create a little bit more than less. And our orientation, top, front, and side, let's see if that's correct. In the front, I see the front. In the top viewport, I see the top. And in the right-hand side, I see this as well. There was the one issue of these pipe things. I think maybe I will do that at this point, just to make something look kind of cool. I'm going to do it in my front viewport, and then I'll mirror it to the other side. Make a control point curve from here. We'll go out to here. I'm going to take ortho off as well, but this screen recorder is not letting this thing collapse. There we go. Disregard all that. So here's my line, and under here, a pipe with round caps, and what radius would I like this? I'll left click for a radius of 1. To use the same radius at the other side, just hit enter again, and enter 1 last time. There is my pipe command. It's been created. I kind of like it. It looks kind of interesting there. It's a little big, a little, whatever. I'm happy enough with it. We'll take this. We will go to our move command and choose mirror and choose the endpoint of the axis as well as the endpoint of the top of our character to mirror it. Beautiful. Our next steps would be texturing. So let me do that. Flamingo, control panel. I'm going to create a new plastic material and call it yellow P. LASTIC. Choose yellow and choose bright yellow. Cool. I'm going to go to the drop down, a new metal, and I'm going to make it down here a nice black steel. The hoses, I'll make those blue plastic. Actually, cancel that. Plastic. Kind of like a lightish blue. And I might make like a yellow metal. So, like, yeah, that looks kind of cool. Just put yellow in front of it. We do need something for this eye. I'm thinking like a red glowy thing. So a new solid color, let's choose red. Let's go to advanced and underneath texture, nope, transparency, there's glow. You don't want it all the way up, it's just way too much, but a little bit of glow might look cool. Okay, let's call this red eye. And okay. Let's do another solid color. This is going to be for the teeth. I think I'm going to join this big surface to all of these little bits, not the vertical bits, because those are going to be the teeth, but this is going to be the base. Alright, here's our jaw and our head. I'm going to shift click both, select this, and if I hover, this will assign whatever is selected to whatever is selected over here. So let's assign that. So the whole thing will get that black steel. And let's even put this in rendered so we can kind of see some of that on there. Let's select the eyeball. We'll shift click these dome things. Let's put this red eye material on all of that. And on that little thing. This can be yellow metal. I think maybe this piece. This piece can be the yellow metal as well. This is separate from that, so let's join this to that. Then let's join this to that. What color should those be? I'll make those black as well. Shift click both. We will put the black steel on there. Our eye thing looks like that needs to be joined. So we might... No, that doesn't need to be joined. Let's make that the yellow steel. This piece will be yellow as well. Then this. Oops. Didn't want to move them. This piece and this piece. We'll assign the blue plastic to. I couldn't do the teeth, but you get the point. Flamingo will render this. There we go. I'd put it in an environment, obviously. There would be our robot head.